2019 Audi S4 Review, 2019 Audi S4 Avant, 2019 Audi S4 Manual Transmission minus 2019 Audi S4 Sedan, New Cars Buy. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Audi brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Audi S4 Review, 2019 Audi S4 Avant, 2019 Audi S4 Manual Transmission minus 2019 Audi S4 Sedan, New Cars Buy. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Audi S4 Review, 2019 Audi S4 Avant, 2019 Audi S4 Manual Transmission minus 2019 Audi S4 Sedan, New Cars Buy. The Audi S4/S5 has actually long been puzzling trying out since it makes use of a charged V6 then supplies a 3.0T symbol on the front fenders. Given that the problem was integrated with the compressor. The heart of the Audi S4 designs from 2019 is certainly a freshly established V6 engine with main gas shots as well as turbo costs. The 30 FSI has a power of 354 HP and also 368.8 lb-foot of torque could be acquired from 1,300 to 4,500 RPM. Audi S4 2019 design. The S4 divides itself with the regular Audi A4 design, consisting of a single fascia, light aluminum appearance mirror caps, upcoming location skirts and also a 4 exhaust back apron. Inside, they are unique car seats enhanced with natural leather and also microfiber, black, gray, or lava red, as well as used CO2 fiber material. The A4 online toolkit, which we such as a whole lot, includes a sporting activity S4 specific point of view, which reveals a tachometer at the heart. We anticipate the Audi S4 to be introduced as a 2019 design in Europe in mid-2018, as well as is most likely to be supplied both as a car and also as a progressive. Right here we utilize just one limo and also, customarily, no overview transfers. 2019 Audi S4 motor specifications. Similar to any kind of Audi S design, the efficiency of the 30 FSI is directed to the freeway for extended periods of quattro. Throughout typical website traffic the main self-locking differential drum divides 60% of the engine torque on the back axle as well as 40% upwards. After the race it could disperse as much as 70% on the front axle or 85% rearward. The taken care of torque choice torque, relying on a brilliant software program performance, finishes the quattro train. For online contours, the tires are captured a little in the flexion prior to they could removal. This makes the monitoring far more concrete, dexterous as well as trustworthy. An available sporting activities differential as a choice raises the capacity to duplicate with the added initiative to launch the jerks in between the back tires. The engine goes beyond perspective as well as torque by supplying a substantial decrease in gas consumption and also body weight. This even more torque of your turbocharged engine is why Audi is relocating from the 6-clutch double-clutch system transmission of its present design to a computerized 8-10-speed torque converter. Whenever the guiding situation permits, it switches over to freewheel to conserve a great deal of gas. The efficiency is truly much better and also Audi has a range of -62 miles per hour in 4.7 SECS. We believe it's faster to believe he'll do away with 406 extra pounds. 2019 Audi S4 efficiency. The upcoming Audi S4 and also S4 Avant, not pertaining to the United States, will certainly have the ability to care for every little thing when traveling, whether it gets on a racecourse or maybe a hilltop with success. For quick journey both versions supply the security of the impressive straight collection. This efficiency is lowered to the lately created framework. The suspension of 5 links on the front and also back axles specifically divides the longitudinal and also transverse distortions as well as makes sure optimum website traffic under all scenarios of the automobile. Like the electrotechnical power seal, both are developed to be exceptionally lightweight. The speed-controlled resonance control is supplied as an option. The standard 18 wheels are 2-stage Superstar layout wheels in automobile tires of the measurements 245/40. You could obtain a 19-inch option at Quattro GmbH. The conventional S Sport suspension is 0.9 much less compared to the standard variation. Trip altitude corresponds non-mandatory suspension with effective damper administration. 2019 Audi S4 rate. Along with the engine, the guiding, the Tiptronic as well as the sporting activity differential, CDC dampers, CDC equals secure damping administration, are to be uncovered within the Audi. This enables the motorist to alter the put on hold features in various setups. Of all they have actually seen current they have actually offered, the price must begin near $50,000. Thanks.